Hey guys, this is Renee and welcome back to my channel. So due to request, well, only one person suggested it, but anyway, because I have 3 kids, one of them being a newborn, and all my time normally is consumed into taking care of them, I'm taking any suggestions that I possibly can. So if it's something that I could possibly do and it makes sense, I might just do it. So without further ado, this is Buddy doing his own hair. Hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, I'm Jonathan. Today, I'm gonna do my own hair. I'm doing my hair. I'm doing it. I just
Alright. Okay, let me help you just a little bit, okay?
okay.
Okay, you gotta kind of spread it out a little bit. Let me get the back.
I'm getting over cold, guys. Sorry for heavy breathing. Go, 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 go. Yeah. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
I think it got enough. I think it has enough. Good job. Down this way. Let them see. Make sure they know how much conditioner water you need to put in your hair. And then
I can't see.
you fix it.
Thank you guys for watching. My name is Jonathan. I hope you feel my tutorial it's a second.
For those who think that his hair is not cut properly, I feel like I have to explain this because every time I look back at the footage, I look at his hair and I see that his hair looks uneven. But this side actually curls, makes spirals. This side, and down. This side does not. It's just wavy. And so it always have a tendency to be longer on one side than the other side.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
And that's it. If you guys want to see the family blog, click on the link right here. See that video? It's called Mom Struggle, so those who have ever been a mom or still a mom, you know what I mean. Bye. You. Yes, you. Have a good weekend. Bye.